Creating a content schedule is one of those things that's not necessary, but if you're like me and have so many other things to do, it is the best way to keep organized, automate the publishing process, and use as a reference later in the future. Creating a content schedule can be as easy as an Excel spreadsheet, and I have provided a simple template below. In this lesson, I will show you how to use the template to create a content schedule for your tip of the week videos. Remember that you can customize this to whatever best fits your business. Use this template as a starting point. Okay, so in this first column, we have the publishing date that we plan to publish the videos. You can just go down the line and plug in the dates on how often you plan on posting. In this case, I want to post every Wednesday at 6 p.m., so I went ahead and did that. Next, I want to decide which topics I want to post when. Sometimes there isn't a lot of thought to it, but keep in mind that there are any specific dates coming up like holidays or important anniversaries. Also pay attention to current events. Sometimes some things happen in the world and it's just inappropriate to be posting certain topics at that point. Keep that in mind. So now that I have my 12 topics laid out, I'm going to take some time to create the compelling titles, description, and tags for each video. It's going to take a while, but trust me, it's worth it, and you should be the one to do it. Now that we have all of that, I like to create my own custom thumbnails. If you're not a Photoshop wizard, then I like to use Canva. It's a great website where you can create images specific to the social media platforms you're using, and it's very easy to add text in your logo. See the Canva video below to see more on that. Once I or my assistant creates the thumbnails, then I just check it off that it's been done. This is why it's so important to prep. Now that I have all of my videos, titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails, I can pass this off to my assistant and they can start scheduling the posts for me. I spent probably a solid day coming up with the topics, shooting them, and building this schedule. And now I have 3 months worth of automated content to keep my audience engaged. And I can spend more time working on my business and creating other videos that will be used for specific campaigns. There is software that can help make this process even easier. For example, we are affiliated with the Local Business Manager by ServerSuite, which allows me to publish simultaneously across multiple platforms natively. Once you've completed this, you're done for 3 months. The idea here is that it will take 4 days of your year to create a year's worth of valuable content. As you grow, you may find that your videos are getting a lot of attention, and you may want to start shooting more videos. By creating a content schedule, you can keep organized and ultimately save time. In the next lesson, I will show you exactly how to publish videos to Facebook and YouTube.